How to enable secret mode password on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable secret mode password on Samsung internet browser. First then open the browser and then click these three lines here in the bottom corner and after you click on it just click settings and then click this one, personal browsing data, and here you will find this one, secret mode settings. Click on it, and if you want to enable it, click on it. Just type your password, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.